I got this low washer light. This is for windshield washer, and I checked everything, and looks like I do have the windshield washer sensor is not working, and I did just replaced it. And let me show you what is the easiest way to fix that thing, because if you wanna replace that thing, it's real hard. Let me show you. This is the old windshield washer sensor. I have to break it into the pieces to take it out. This is real hard to take it out and put back in that windshield washer reservoir. But easiest way for Nissan Armada, and I had to take that right wheel out and access to this windshield washer reservoir. And the easiest way to fix that problem is with this one. With this thing, this is the windshield washer right here. If you just take this out, take the plug out, it's gonna fix that problem. See, I took that plug out right now. Let's go check inside the car if the light is still on or it's turned off already. Looks like I don't have the light anymore. So that's the easiest way, or unless you just want to change the sensor. But it's real hard to put it back in and to take it out. I already put the plug back in, and usually it takes like 3 minutes to get that light comes on once you start it. And I have, let's see, about 3 minutes 2 seconds. I already filled with the water. Usually, I mean, when we use like a real darker anti windshield washer, then they have some kind of stuff it can make that sensor is stuck on the bottom, and which make the continuity and give the short circuit, and that give the light. So I mean, looks like it's working fine. More than 3 minutes and no light is coming on. This thing is going to apply to the most of the windshield washer sensor. This is a typical windshield washer sensor from Nissan Armada. Most of those windshield washer sensor, they have a plug with those two terminals. If you just unplug it, you can take care of that. Low washer light error. What comes on the front panel inside in the car. So this is, I mean, it's like it does apply to most of those windshield washer sensor.